Welcome to the Lexi AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an AI scheduled blog by using the AI blog scheduler in Lexi AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI blog scheduler. Here you can create a schedule blog for your blog website here. Select site name and category from drop-down. Enter your blog title, or you can choose a title from our AI suggested trending topics. Choose your schedule frequency for your blog. You can set schedule frequency for daily, weekly, or one time. Select your time zone. You can also set the scheduled date and time of blog. Language. Tone. Style. Length of your blog. Click on Generate and your schedule blog will be ready. Your Generate blog will be saved in Manage Blog Scheduler section. Here you can view your scheduled blog. It will automatically post it on your blog website at your given scheduled date and time. You can view your generated blog on your site. Thanks for watching the video.